This dual-function mattress wins hands down as the ultimate in storage solutions. No need to waste attic space. When not being used for sleep, the mattress folds to a comfortable couch, perfect for lounging or gaming. If you prefer not to use the mattress as a sofa, it can also be tucked away neatly in the closet or under a bed. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Simple, but elegant alternative when full-size sofa beds aren't an option. Number 2. Great for apartment dwellers, college dorms, family dens, and when you're traveling or anywhere else space is limited. Number 3. Great for video gaming, reading a book or camping. And of course sleeping. Includes a removable and machine-washable softcover. Number 4. Made of new and improved Certipur US high-density foam so your bed doesn't sag and is light and portable enough for use while traveling. Number 5. Size: 78 inches by 38 inches by 4.5 inches. Storage dimensions are 38 inches by 29 inches by 14 inches, which makes it easy to store in tight spaces. Number 6. Guests for the night. Simply unfold your Milliard sofa mattress for hosting done right. The Milliard Tri-Fold mattress is perfect for the unexpected guest, college dorm, or sleepover. A more comfortable alternative to air mattresses. It unfolds with minimal effort in seconds. Also great for use on the go as a take-along with a mattress for camping or RVs. Number 7. Sleep like a baby. This tri-fold mattress is constructed of 4.5 inches of foam for unmatched comfort when sleeping and sitting. Milliard foam is always consistent throughout the mattress with a balanced supportive lift and that does not bottom out. Milliard, the ultimate in comfort solutions. Number 8. Easy care. The foam mattress is encased in a 3D mesh cover made of 100% polyester. For easy care, the removable cover zips off and is machine washable. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.